We'll guide you through how to delete color variable in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your desktop's Windows Start menu and use the taskbar search function to locate Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, run the Google Chrome application. After the browser opens, click the search or address bar, enter Figma, and navigate to the official Figma website from the results page. Before continuing, confirm that your Figma account is already logged in so you can access your files and design resources without interruption. Allow the Figma homepage to load completely on your screen. For this tutorial, select one of your recent projects from the dashboard. After choosing the project, the edit page of your project will open, displaying the canvas, layers panel, and design settings. To understand where color variables appear, click on one of the layers in your design. Open the Fill section and then access the library area. Here, any colors that have been saved as part of a color collection or color variable system will be visible and available for use. To delete a color variable, first click on an empty area of the canvas so that no specific layer is selected. Next, go to the Design tab on the right side of the interface and search for the Variables option. Once you find it, click Variables to open the Variables Management panel. A pop-up window will appear containing all the variables available in the current file. Browse through the list and select the color variable that you want to remove. After selecting the correct variable, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the available options, choose Delete Variable. Figma will remove the selected color variable from the project. To confirm that the deletion was successful, return to one of your layers and open the Fill section again. Check the library area where the color collection previously appeared. If the deleted color variable is no longer listed, it means the variable has been successfully removed from your Figma project.